shedding 20K quickly with this amazing food. Join me as I challenge myself to lose 20K fast by incorporating just one specific food into my diet. Hi, I'm Dr. Liana, your virtual weight loss doctor. I help women lose stubborn belly fat by fixing what diet and exercise alone can't. Your hormones, your gut, and your stress response. If you're tired of doing everything right and still not seeing results, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. I've been there trying every fad diet and weight loss trick in the book, only to see the scale barely budge. It's frustrating, demotivating, and can feel like an impossible task. You're not alone in this struggle. Many of us have tried to shed those extra kilos, but somehow we just can't seem to get it right. We make a plan, stick to it for a week or two, and then everything falls apart. The truth is, losing weight isn't just about cutting calories or hitting the gym. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick to in the long term. But let's be real, it's hard to know where to start, especially with all the conflicting information out there. Some say low carb is the way to go, while others swear by low fat. It's enough to make your head spin. We've all been guilty of overeating at some point, using food as a coping mechanism for stress or emotions. It's a tough habit to break, but it's essential if you want to see real results. I've seen friends and family members try every quick fix under the sun, only to end up back where they started. It's a cycle that's hard to break, but I'm here to tell you that there's hope. The science behind sustainable weight loss is fascinating. Our bodies are designed to respond to certain foods in specific ways. Some foods can boost our metabolism, helping us burn fat more efficiently. Others can help us feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. By understanding how different foods affect our bodies, we can make informed choices that support our weight loss goals. Research has shown that certain foods can have a profound impact on our weight loss journey. For example, some studies have found that people who eat more protein tend to lose more weight than those who don't. Other studies have highlighted the benefits of fiber-rich foods for weight loss. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can set ourselves up for success. So, what is this magical food that can help you lose 20 kg fast? It's not a supplement or a fancy product, it's something you can find in your local supermarket. The food I'm talking about is oats. Yes, oats. They're cheap, versatile, and packed with nutrients that can help you on your weight loss journey. Oats are high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling fuller for longer. They're also rich in antioxidants and have been shown to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. But what really sets oats apart is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks and set yourself up for sustainable weight loss. Incorporating oats into your diet is easy. You can add them to your breakfast routine, use them in baking, or even make a simple oat smoothie. The possibilities are endless. I've personally seen the benefits of oats firsthand, and I'm excited to share this simple yet powerful tip with you. To recap, losing weight quickly and sustainably is achievable with the right approach. By understanding the science behind weight loss and incorporating foods like oats into our diet, we can set ourselves up for success. If you're struggling to lose weight, I encourage you to give oats a try. If no one's ever told you this before, you're not failing. Your body's just asking for the right kind of support. Like, subscribe, and share. Real weight loss starts inside. If you've had any experiences with weight loss, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. If you're interested in more weight loss tips, check out our video on 10 simple ways to boost your metabolism. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.